What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be talking about why it's so important to be seen, to be heard, to be celebrated. And while we're on that subject, okay, I want to be seen, heard, and celebrated. You know what? I have an idea. You could do that. You could help me feel seen, heard, and celebrated right now by hitting the like, comment, subscribe button. Thank you very much. My name is Chris Chan. I'm the founder and CEO of Active Age Daytime Senior Care. And today we are going to talk about a story. I want to share a story with you. Can I share a story with you real quick? So think about this for a second. Can you imagine being 95 years old and you've lost all of your friends and you live alone? You lost your spouse and you have no one to talk to. And your family calls occasionally when they can, but they're busy because they got kids of their own. What is life like at that stage? I thought this was the golden years. This was like this amazing retirement I dreamed of. But suddenly here I find myself at 95 years old, depressed, sad, lonely, and dependent on others. And it's why? Why even, what's the point of existing? Why am I even here? God, why? When I think about that story, when I think about that 95-year-old person, it truly breaks my heart to think what they're going through. And I think every time I see and I hear what the pain and kind of the loneliness and kind of the isolation that person is facing, it makes me realize just how important adult daycare is to our senior population. And I was just recently reading Mel Robbins' book called High Five Habits. And she had said something in there, and what she said was in regards to our deepest need, our deepest desires that we have is the desire, the need to be seen, to be heard, and to be celebrated. And that, it resonated so closely to me because I felt for the first time, I'm this is exactly why adult daycare is so incredibly powerful, because it brings people together in an environment where normally if they were at home alone, sad, depressed, isolated, now we're bringing them into this environment where they're seen and they're heard and they're celebrated for the first time in probably years. And it gives them a new sense of purpose. It helps them find meaning and fulfillment again in life in a time when they may have just felt why am I here, God? What is the point anymore? And so I think this is why it is so incredibly important that we spread the message, we spread the word, we help make families and communities and community partners aware of what adult daycare is and how it can help our senior population. Because by bringing people together in a community environment and by giving them the opportunity to be seen by others, to be heard, to express their opinions, to express their ideas, and to share their stories and their wisdom with the world, and to be celebrated because we're in an environment that is having fun and that is cheering them on and that is celebrating all of the wisdom that they have to share and all of the knowledge or all of just everything that they have left to give. There is something so magical and something so powerful about that. And that is why adult daycare truly is going to be the future. It is going to give our senior population, it is going to give those that are lonely a second chance, an entire new lease on life at a stage in their life when they were giving up. It is going to allow them to find purpose, to find meaning, because they were seen, they were heard, and they were celebrated. And this is why I am so passionate about this field. This is why I think it is the future. And if you want to be a part of that, if you want to have and be able to make that big of a difference in someone's life, go to adcpro.com and learn more about how you can open your very own adult daycare. And make sure you go and check out our monthly webinars. Make sure you join our private Facebook group. We want to see you help bring this solution to the world. And if you're interested in joining us on our Active Age franchise journey, go to activeagecare.com/franchise. Guys, I cannot thank you enough for your support. Together, we can change the world. Join the revolution. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. I gotta get back to work. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.